This is episode 13 of Flavours of Africa, and today we're taking a trip to Togo and we're making Ayimolou. This is just many names and it's called Wache in Ghana. This one today is a traditional style Togolese meal that consists of tomato sauce, fried mackerel, plantain, gari and a few other ingredients. We can start by boiling our soaked black-eyed peas until they're nice and tender with some sorghum leaves, which are important for this dish. When they're nice and tender, we're going to go in some rice and our salt, which is then going to be covered and stirred every 10 minutes until it's nice and cooked. It comes out looking like this. So this is the first part of the dish, and look at that already. Now to the tomato sauce. So we're going to start by chopping up our tomatoes and onions, which are going to be blitzed up with a little bit of water. Once that's all nice and blitzed, we're going to go with some tomato paste in a pan with lots of oil. You just want to cook it out to remove that bitterness. Now we're going to slice up some onions, which is going to give the sauce a nice texture to it. So we're going to stir that in. And of course, we're going to go with the Scotch bonnet and our seasoning. So we've got some mixed African spice, some all-purpose seasoning, and we're going with that puree. We're going to cook it down until it's nice and thick like that. Fish of choice is mackerel. I just gutted it and basically chopped it up into pieces. Every little pat dry and season with some fish seasonings and let that marinate for at least half an hour. What's going to happen is it's going to fry it in some oil, and you just want a nice crispy golden brown colour on the outside and cook throughout the middle. This is the first time frying fish like this, so it's a really interesting experience for me. Yeah, you just want to take it all out of the pan, and now we're going to do our plantains. So it's simply just fry plantains like I've done many times on my channel. And yeah, you just want to cook it until it's nice and golden brown on the outside. A little stir so it doesn't stick together because of the sugars. I'm going to go with our gari. So it's basically mixed with a little bit of oil from the tomato sauce, give it a nice texture. The guys have got a big announcement coming soon, so I'm basically be taking a flight to an African country. I want you guys in the comment section below to guess what one it is. Alongside that, what should I make next for my African series? Let me know.